Hello everyone, so this is my first ever voiceover. I hope you guys will like it. So in this video we'll be showing a beautiful colorful bottle. Let's get into the video. First of all, we'll be needing a glass bottle of any size. I took a small one because it will look very cute. Secondly, we will be needing a tape. You can use any tape. We'll be using the tape to mark. We'll be doing the first layer. With the help of a glass marker, we'll mark the edges because it's invisible tape. So for the reference, we can mark the edges so that we can refer to that. So now it's time for the second layer. Similarly, we will do the rest of the layers. Hey guys, it's done, all the layers. So next we'll be using for the coloring the fabrical acrylic colors, and we'll use a flat brush, which is a preferred one, or else you can use a round brush also. So I prefer the flat brush because it is good to point the edges with that. Let's get into the coloring. First we'll use a bright pink color. We'll peel off the tape and then paint into the color, and we'll have a clear and perfect line with the tapes. So the first one is done, and we'll peel off the second one. For the second layer, I will be using bright yellow color. So be a little careful while doing the edges, and for that reference we took the flat brush, which is very helpful in that case. So you need not to be perfect, but try to be precise in that matter. We'll continue with the third one, and it's a light blue color. The tapes is for our reference only, so that we can draw a straight line, and if we do any kind of mistakes, then it will be peeled off with the tape itself. These colors are looking very, very bright. The fourth color is orange. Next will be dark green. Here there is a symbol, so we have to do 2 to 3 layers for this, and yeah, it's done. So for a small tip, if there is any symbol or any kind of logo, we can preferably use a darker shade to cover it up. So next one will use a brown color which is in dark shade, so that it will be easier to cover the logo. So here also we'll give 2, 3 or even 4 layers if needed. So it's completely covered. The next color will be using a red color, which is also in a dark shade because the logo is still there. You can always flip your bottle to get a better grip. So it's done, and for the next layer will be using light green color. cover the rest of the part with white. So guys, it's done. Let it dry, and it's a very good piece for, Christmas is coming and it looks very pretty in that time. You can decorate it with lights, or small artificial flowers can also go with that. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and you can suggest more videos, ideas for me. And yeah, let's see you in the next video then. Bye.